Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a turtle. That's right, we're going to draw a cute turtle. This turtle will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the turtle's head. We are going to draw a circle first and then draw a second circle peeking behind the first. This second circle would be the turtle's shell. The circle doesn't have to be perfectly round. After all, turtles come in all shapes and sizes. Next, we will draw a rim to the bottom of the shell and add in the turtle's 4 feet. You can make the feet longer or shorter if you like. I like my turtle feet to be on a smaller size because I think it is cuter that way. Now it is time to work on the turtle's face. Let's start by drawing the turtle's eyes. For the turtle's eyes, I'm going to draw 2 big circles, followed by 2 smaller circles inside each of them. I will draw a small W for the turtle's mouth. Next, I will fill in the gaps in the eyes with my black marker, leaving the smaller circles white. You can make the eyes larger, smaller, or super tiny if you like. Have fun with your drawing by stretching out your imagination. Isn't it so cute already? For this next part, we are going to draw some patterns on the turtle shells. I'm going to draw a hexagon pattern. A hexagon is a shape with 6 sides. However, you can do other shapes if you like, such as stars and hearts on the turtle's shell. Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color in the turtle. I like to gather all the colors I plan on using first. This gives me a better idea of the color combos that I will use for my drawing. Let's start with a pink color for the turtle's blush on its cheek. Next, I'm going to use my orange to color in its shell, but you can also color the shell with a combination of different colors for each section. Feel free to change up the colors. Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Isn't coloring so much fun? Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Next, I will color in the turtle's head and legs with this teal color. If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your turtle. It can be a colorful hat or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your turtle's accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome. Wow! Look at our amazing little turtle. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as some seaweeds or bubbles. For me, I'm going to draw in some stars in the background background for my turtle. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of turtles in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the turtle. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.